Guys, what's up? My name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, join my little family. I would love to have you. So today's video is going to be all about my lash extensions. I get a lot of questions on and off YouTube about my lash extensions, so I just want to give you guys all the details, clarify everything. So the place I get my lashes done is the Beauty Lounge. I don't know if that's the right name, but I know her Instagram is _XO Beauty Lounge _. I'll have the username right here so I don't get anything wrong. I'm from the RGV area, so she is in the RGV area. I said area way too much, but if you guys live in the same place as me, you guys should really go there. I love the way she does lashes. Her name is Cynthia. That's the lady I get my lashes done with. I love her so much. She's so sweet. She's so kind. She just makes you feel like at home. She can be a therapist if you need to talk about anything. She's there to listen. If you just want to sleep while you're getting your lashes done, she lets you do that too. She's just amazing. So I really love her and I really recommend her. The first time I went to get my lashes done, I got the hybrid set. So she does different sets. So she does classic, hybrid, light volume, full volume, and mega volume. So the classic is 85, hybrid's 99, light volume is 115, full volume is 135, and mega volume is 180. So yeah, I have it right here so I didn't get any information wrong. The ones I went with the first time were hybrid because I told her I wanted something natural but still with volume, so that's why I got hybrid. If you guys were interested in what I got, that's what I got. But then they started getting longer and thicker as I started getting lashes. I think I've gotten lashes for 7 weeks now, in a row. I love lashes, or maybe even more than that, honestly. I'm gonna insert a picture of what my lashes looked like before. They were non-existent. I really needed lashes. I felt so bald without lashes. So let's talk about my lash experience. So the first time I went, I got to the place. She has a bed. You lie down on that bed and your head's back on a pillow and she's behind you. So she's putting lashes on each of your natural lashes, right? It did not hurt at all. Everything went smoothly. Sometimes it does burn, when she's done and she tells you to open your eyes. It'll burn because maybe the glue is not dry yet, but you can just tell her and she fixes it right away, you know? Nothing too painful that I'm like, oh, don't get lashes. Everything went smoothly every single time. So yeah, that was my first time getting lashes. So she's gonna tell you what looks best on your lashes depending on the length and thickness of your lashes. So if you have thin, brittle lashes, you can't get mega volume, you know? It all depends on your lashes, and not every lash set looks the same on everybody because we all have different lashes and different eye shapes and everything like that. So these might not look the same on you and vice versa. So on that first visit, she gave me this. It's lasted so long. I've been there 7 weeks, like I said, and it's already down to here. Okay, so you're just gonna want to use a pump of this. You put it on the back of your hand, and then what you're gonna want to do is get the brush that she also gives you, and you're gonna swirl it in that product, and then you're gonna brush down on your lashes like this. But you don't do that the first time you go because you can't wet your lashes for 24 hours, okay? Then what you're going to want to do is get a fan or a blow dryer and use it on the cool setting, and you're just going to place that over your lashes like this to dry your lashes. You never want to brush your lashes out when they're wet. That is very pertinent to having lashes because then they will fall off. I'm just warning you guys. So she'll also give you a spoolie as well, so when you're done drying your lashes, you're going to want to just brush them. Give them a nice brush. So I know a lot of people say that they don't like lash extensions because they can't wash their face right, but I honestly have had no trouble. You just need to be more gentle, you know, but that doesn't mean that you can't wash your face. Look at me, I'm still washing my face. The only thing is that you can't use anything that has oil in it. So, you know, I was big on coconut oil, but I can't use that anymore. So what I've done is just gotten like makeup wipes to remove my makeup that are oil free. And then for my eye makeup, I like to use micellar water. This is the one by Garnier. I love this one, so I would just get like a Q-tip and just like make sure I'm taking off everything from my eyes. If you are like a makeup lover, I can still do my makeup perfectly fine. I've had no trouble. Just make sure you're really taking those extra steps to take off all your makeup. That's the only thing I would tell you. Honestly, my lashes are still fine underneath all of these. Nothing has changed. They haven't like broken off or anything. I think the only time they'll rip off is if you're like picking at them. Like, don't pick at them. If you really want to remove your lashes, go and get them done at the same place you got them. They will do it professionally. Like, nothing's gonna happen to your lashes. But honestly, if you're picking at them, of course they're gonna fall off. So that's just a tip for you guys to know. Don't be picking at your lashes. Just let them be. If you really want them off, go back and get them taken off. Okay, so lashes last about 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks. You have to go and get a refill every 2 weeks. That's what I've done. And my lady charges me $65, but if you wait any longer, it is $75 because, of course, like, more are missing. So just make sure you're keeping up with your appointments every 2 weeks. So yeah, I think that's all you need to know about lash extensions. If you guys have any questions that I didn't touch on, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll be sure to answer every single comment. I love connecting with you guys and answering every single comment that I get. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below to join my little family if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.